Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. Welcome to another episode of Connecting Katy. I am Manu Sharipov, a real estate agent with eXp Realty here in Katy. And today I'm here with Jimmie and Angie Kim. They're the owners and the managing directors at Glow Up MD. It's a non surgical aesthetic clinic here in Katy. Thanks for joining me, Jimmie and Angie.
Thank you for having
Thank you
us.
for having us.
Awesome, great. Angie, tell us what made you open this business and why do you do what you do here at Glow Up MD?
Right, so there were many factors that influenced my decision to open this. So starting off, when I was in residency, I began noticing like the changes on my own face and skin that stress was doing to me.
Mm-hmm.
It was a lot of like the first time I noticed that I had lines on my forehead. It was like super shocking, and I was like horrified because um, everyone else that was my age around me, they didn't have those lines yet, and I was just super surprised at what stress could really do. And then also I have a lot of like sunspots because I was never good at putting on sunscreen when I was younger. So that like brought me into like the aesthetic field. I started doing a lot of research into like skincare. I also found a lot of took on a lot of training too,
Mm-hmm.
in all the different procedures, aesthetic procedures to help with preventing this, other skin problems as well. Basically, all this just brought me to starting this practice. I felt like it was a perfect fit for me.
Okay, right on. Jimmy, tell us a little bit about what were some of the factors that made you choose this neighborhood in Katy.
Sure. When we were looking at a spot for our business, we were looking for, a specific demographic, and Katy seemed to have the demographic. It was very diverse here, and also it's a rapidly developing area, right? So we're not just looking about how it's going to be for today, but we're looking 5 years down the line, and this seemed like it was developing so fast, and it seemed to be the right market for us.
Okay, great. Angie, what is something that people actually don't know about your business?
Yeah, so I think it's a common misconception that aesthetics, medical aesthetics, and skincare is for like older women, the older women population. But it's not actually that. It's like it's basically taking care of your skin. It's like we focus on healthy skin.
Mm-hmm.
So it's just like if you go to a primary care physician for internal health, you would come here just to make sure your skin is healthy because that goes a long way to preventing other problems in the future as well, and helps you look younger for a longer time. I think people also think it's just for women, but that's also a misconception because there are a lot of men who have concerns about like acne scarring,
Mm-hmm.
also receding hairline that we have treatments for, hair loss. Um, and then another thing with like all of the advanced technology, the this area aesthetic medicine is really advancing really quickly.
Mm-hmm.
There's constantly new procedures, new techniques, new technologies coming out. Uh, but a lot of med spas, people don't know, like they're just operated by technicians who don't have like all the full training and education.
Mm-hmm.
People don't realize that many med spas there's actually no physician on site or nearby. So which is can be really dangerous because these are medical procedures. They have risks and complications.
Right.
Actually, like last week, I was just, or not last week, several weeks ago,
Mm-hmm.
we were at a conference and um, one of the models, they had a severe allergic reaction to a device that we were testing
Oh,
or
okay.
we were trying out. Um, and luckily, we had doctors on site at that med spa,
Mm-hmm.
but it could have ended badly if there were no doctors around. I just like I always try to make people aware that it's important to make sure you always see a doctor when you go to one of these places.
And if I
All
might add, I think a lot of people have a hard time understanding or realizing that skin is an organ, right? So like you need to go see a doctor about it and take care of that as is your primary line of defense, right?
Yeah.
So
All right. Well, Jimmy, tell us what are some of the great challenges and needs you have as a business owner here?
I think our unique challenge of being a new business owner, and I'm sure most business owners go through this, is marketing, right? Marketing is this big challenge, figuring out exactly the best techniques, with all the social media things that go on, whether we want to put in print advertising and things like that, and how
Right.
effective they actually are. I think navigating that has been the hardest part so far.
All right. So, in addition to that, so why do you think it's actually important for people to come and shop local?
Shopping local, I think, is extremely important because when you go shop locally, you're putting the money back into local
Economy?
Exactly. Thank you.
Right.
You're putting it back into the local economy. Whereas if you go to a big box store, you might as well be shipping the money, out of the country because you're never going to be able to see that back in your local area.
Okay, awesome. Well, Jimmie and Angie, thank you so much for joining me today again and sitting down, being interviewed. It's been really great to learn more about your business. Be sure to come and visit Jimmie and Angie Kim here at Glow Up MD. If you're looking for a non-surgical aesthetic, services to help prevent and reverse aging, aid in weight loss. So if you want to just improve your quality of life, or just want to be, feel and look at your best, they're a great asset for our community here, okay? And remember just to support and shop local. Once again, I am Manu Sharipov, a real estate agent with eXp Realty here in Katy. And if you're looking to buy or sell real estate or just want to find out the current market value of your house, let me know. And if you are a business owner and would like to be featured, please reach out to me today. Thanks for watching and see you on the next episode. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Hey guys, how you doing?
Great. How you doing?
Doing awesome. Tell us a little bit about your spa over here, Dr. Kim.
Alright, sure. So over here we have medical grade skincare, which are skincare it's stronger than average skincare that you would find in a store. Usually only sold in doctors' offices.
Okay. Nice.
And we have a little coffee refreshment area.
Yeah.
So anyone can come in, get a drink, get some snacks.
Absolutely.
Here's our consultation room. This is where we do initial consultation. You could get a 3D analysis of your skin, see all the imperfections.
Yeah.
And here's one of our exam treatment rooms.
Awesome.
And we offer Botox, fillers, IV hydration, microneedling, chemical peels, and then we just added on medical weight loss. So